Let's take a look at how to use TMS data in ArcPro. If you didn't know, TMS stands for Transportation Management System, and it's the Transportation Planning Department's storehouse of all of its geographic data. You may have previously used the TMS tools for ArcMap. We hope to get those ported over to ArcPro soon, and when it happens, I'll update this video series with an addendum covering those tools. For now, they're not available and you need to connect to TMS manually, but you can still do this and get your TMS data in ArcPro. Let's take a look at how to do it. To connect to a database, you need to go to the Insert ribbon, Project Group, and then under Connections, go to Database, New Database Connection. That'll pop open a window like this. In order to get connected to TMS properly, you need to make sure the database platform is set to Oracle and the instance is set to SDE:oracle11g:TMS prod. Because this video is going to be public, I'm going to skip this step because I don't want to show the username and password. If you don't remember your username and password for accessing TMS, ask your supervisor or one of the TMS managers in the planning department. I'll put a cut in here and restart the video when I'm connected. Once you're connected to the TMS database, it should show up over here in your catalog pane under the databases folder. It may be named something like SDE.SDE. That was the default for me. If you expand this, you can see that there's a huge breadth of data available in TMS. Most of this takes the form of aspatial tables, represented by the table icon to the left here. Naturally, we don't have time to go over every single piece of data available to you in TMS. Let me just take a look at a couple of the most important pieces of data that are available here. First off, if we scroll down to near the bottom, there's a TMS.UTM section. This contains a lot of basic information like cities as points, counties, or political districts. Let me go ahead and add one piece of data so that you can take a look at what it looks like. Before I do that, I want to set my maps coordinate system to UTM so that I can make sure this all places correctly. To do that, just go over to the Contents pane, right-click on Map, Properties, Coordinate Systems, and then I have NAD 83 UTM Zone 15 North as a favorite. You may need to go through multiple folders to check out it. And now I should be able to just add this TMS UTM city points. And now you can see I've got a map of point locations for every municipality in Missouri. Another section that you might need to use is this TMS external. This contains data from other sources which may be useful to MoDOT. For instance, we've got the Missouri lakes, and national forest boundaries. Probably the data source that will be most commonly used is the State Cov T-Way data. I'll go ahead and add the State Cov T-Way. This dataset should show me every single transit way in the state, but right now it's not showing me anything. That's probably because of a little bug in the way that this is imported from the database. It's a pretty easy fix. We just go here to Properties, Source, Query, and then edit the query. Replace all of this stuff between select and from with an asterisk. The asterisk means all, so select everything. Check that I didn't make any mistakes. Go through hitting OK. And now it's loading in. Of course, this is going to take a long time to load, so I'll actually go ahead and turn it off before it loads all the way. But if you have any interest in displaying roads within Missouri, you can probably find them under tms.statecov.tway. If you want to see if there is a particular data source in TMS, ask either the TMS admins in planning or us at CAD Services, and we can help you find it. In the next video, we'll finish up our initial exploration of ArcPro by looking at how to export a map as a project package.